in English has become the most important in today's scenario. Wherever you go, English is the most commonly spoken language, and if you don't know how to speak it, then it can be a major communication issue. Is it school, college, job interviews, or socializing? Speaking in English is the first preference in terms of communication. Tips and tricks to speak fluent English. 1. Learn the use of synonyms. Using synonyms or the similar meaning words is a powerful and an extremely efficient way to help enhance the fluency of your English language. First, you need to analyze which are the few words that you use frequently in your speech. Using the same word over and over again may make you sound repetitive. Learn the synonyms of those words and try to use them in your speech. 2. Listen. Nothing helps you learn a new language, or enhance the fluency in speech like listening. Listening to people or anyone who speaks English will improve your vocabulary and your spoken skills equally. Pay attention to anyone speaking in English, and slowly and steadily you'd be speaking with the same fluency. The more you listen attentively, the more you'll learn. 3. Reading. By reading, I don't only mean reading textbooks or English grammar books. Reading, not just for the sake of learning, but for the sake of fun, is but a great way to help you expand your vocabulary. Read stories, interesting books, on topics that you fancy. That will keep you interested, as well as you might as well develop a habit of reading, which you'd be surprised how greatly helps you with your English fluency. 4. Use TV and movies to your advantage. Who doesn't like watching a good movie from time to time? And what could be better than using the same enjoyable activity to learn something? As already mentioned, listening to native English speakers is the most efficient way to improve your language skills. Thus, watching English movies, shows, new channels, or just about any show in English, is a great start to pave your path in order to help you be a pro in spoken English. 5. Don't ignore grammar. A lot of people might tell you not to cram the grammar books in order to learn English. You need to be well versed with the basic grammar rules in order for you to take it a step ahead and learn to incorporate them in your speech. 6. Practice. You may learn English and know all the grammar rules, but you won't be able to speak it fluently unless you practice it. The easiest way to do so is to practice speaking English with you, standing in front of the mirror or otherwise. This will not only give you confidence, but will help you improve without the fear of making mistakes. Practice makes the man perfect.